Sinezinyanga efundile ke ezinye kakhulu. Bengithi inyanga zifundile bakithi unga undermine. Ungabona abadokotela beno standard 6 labo form 1 ucaba ukuthi inyanga zonke inyanga ayifundanga. Nenyanga efunda ngempela lapha ngaphandle. Some people are very educated and then but that's still called as inyanga. Kuneyinyanga engithi mina since we as izinyanga we demand our right to be recognized. What will happen? Kungenzekani if Department of Health in South Africa ingathatha isinqumo ukuthi yayebo maqembu ezepolitiki siyeza ukuthi emaqembini kunezinyanga EFF siyeza nenyanga NC nenyanga bla nenyanga MK nazenyanga ake nisinike kulezi nyanga zenu 10 5 abesilisa 5 abesifazane nisilethe kwi workshop mayifike workshop sizos verify ukuthi singama South African ngempela yini mase ziverify mase zithathe lezo nyanga zideploy zonke ezibhedlela to work ezibhedlela same as ngoba ebhedlela zikhona inyanga zabilo ngikuthiwa ama homeopathy inyanga liyana inyanga homeopathy inyanga nje lento inyanga la yini ungafika uyenze first thing ongafika uyenze casualty nangu uyangena umuntu ulemali yini olindele ukuthi uzofika uyenze ewadini njengamanje wena ungangena manje ewadini njengoba abantu belele begula abanye bafika izolo nangu udokotela yini ongafika usize ngayo njengamanje nje yini wena ongathi ungena lapha esibhedlela ungathi hayi mina isingenisa lapha mina ngicela ninginike into ukuthi ngikwazi ukuthi ngingene nayo yini wena ongafika uyenze immortality rate ngathini blood pressure yakwazi uyifunda blood pressure kuphela yeke ushukela bavese unoshukela nawe ngeke ngithi ungakwazi ukufa uhlezi uyicofa ushukela njalo noshukela ezinye into ufuna sizibuza ukuthi sihlukanisa kanjani umuntu ophatha imithi nowazi imithi noyinyanga bawu3 laba khona ophatha imithi kukhona owazi imithi kukhona oyinyanga but they are all assumed to be traditional doctors. Lo muntu uwasha izitsha njengamanje ehotela ufaka iziphandla nentambo phakathi emzimbeni uyinyanga uwasha izitsha a traditional doctor washing dishes in a restaurant lento angifuna ukuthi ifinyelele kubanikazi bangoba lento uma singayikhulumi how come sizokubekezelela usasibiza ngenyanga nathi sithi sizinyanga kodwa njengamanje ushayela itruck iduma lemva kwakho okuzoza njengamanje u driving a code 14 truck if u off winyanga where on earth you saw a doctor driving a truck is it a doctor or it's a person that daydreaming to be a doctor driving a truck lento mina ayingifikele ukuthi sizoyibiza kanjani where on earth you are a gardener in an estate complex usebenza ufake ibhayi ngoba unabadala usho njalo unabadala you regard yourself as a traditional doctor as well wenza igardening uphipha amasimbe ezinja namakati and you still want us to tolerate you because if ngempela iDOH ithatha isinqumo so ukuthi now we need to see izinyanga taking part playing part big part empilweni zabantu ezibhedlela yini wena ocabanga ukuthi ungafika uyenze don't you see that ukuthi asinabo bonke abantu abaready and we need to come to a segmentation whereby kwangena nesingisi kazisho ukuthi legama we need to come to a for that where we segregate abantu abangama juvenile eminyangeni cut off bahambe bo mentorishwa kahle bagrowing before babuye bezelana because ngempela labantu laba we are not too sure what to call because we are carrying the empty vessel actually we are so many but we are very few who are eligible ukuthi i-Department of Health ingabathemba ukuthi ba deploy hayi ama clinic ezibhedlela nje kodwa labantu kuthiwa zinyanga